Hi, welcome to Understanding Complex Exponentials, Lecture 8, Summary. In this series, we've tried to discuss complex exponentials and why they are useful. They have a wide array of applications in mathematics, science, and engineering. While they are closely related to the sine and cosine functions, they are often easier to use. Thus, we can often use complex exponentials to simplify calculations that otherwise would use trigonometric functions. We started by reviewing some basics: multiplication of exponentials, the definition of an angle in radians, the definition of I, and the complex plane. We then saw that exponentials and the sine and cosine functions can be represented by closely related infinite series. This allowed us to write down the important relation e to the I theta equals cosine theta plus I sine theta. We then saw how to represent e to the I theta in the complex plane. Next, we used complex exponentials to derive expressions for sine of x plus y and cosine of x plus y. We also noted that often, if we have an equation with complex quantities on both sides, it is useful to write it as two separate equations, one equating the real parts and the other the imaginary parts. Finally, we used complex exponentials to analyze a physical effect, beats in sound waves. We hope you've enjoyed this series and found it useful. If you'd like to know when new videos are posted on this channel, please subscribe.